In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter.ai in 2025 with a step-by-step guide to get you started. Otter.ai is a versatile transcription tool that can help you capture and organize notes from your various meetings and lectures. First, let's begin by navigating to the Otter website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Otter.ai. This will take you to their homepage, where you'll find everything you need to get started. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login portal. Next, simply enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Here's a tip for first-time users. Setting up your account with the same email as your calendar and meeting apps can make your Otter experience even smoother. After logging in, the next step is connecting Otter to your calendar and meeting applications. Doing this helps Otter automatically join, sync, or detect ongoing and upcoming meetings, a feature that can save you a lot of hassle. Once connected, your next stop is the account settings. To find this, look for your profile icon located in the upper left corner. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu where you'll find the account settings option. Inside the account settings, locate the link for apps and integrations. By going through this, you open up the ability to link Otter with your existing meeting tools. Connecting these apps will allow Otter to join your meetings and auto-record them for transcription. After all these integrations, navigate back to your home page. From here, glance at the top right to find 3 options for starting a meeting. Otter provides multiple ways to capture your meeting. You can paste a meeting URL, import a pre-recorded session, or simply click record for an in-person or standalone recording. This flexibility ensures that no matter how you're conducting your meetings, you have a way to capture everything efficiently. To give you an idea of what this would look like, here's a sample of a recording. It's robust yet simple to use. Once you've got your recordings, the next important step is to review and summarize them. This feature allows Otter to provide quick insights from your meeting notes, making it easier for you to focus on essential details. Once you've reviewed and are satisfied with your transcription, you can share or export your recording. If you look again towards the top right corner, you'll see options to either share your notes with others or export them for use elsewhere. So there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to using Otter.ai effectively. This tool can really transform the way you manage your notes, making sure you're always organized and on top of your workload. Happy transcribing!